Good afternoon, all distinguished guests. My name is Yun-kyung Kim, and I'm with the Korea Chamber of Commerce and Industry. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank for the organizers, CRIVAD and the UNESCO for hosting this meaningful workshop and for giving us the opportunity to gather here today. I would like to say that all the previous presentations were incredibly insightful and impressive. It was really good. Thank you so much for sharing such valuable contents. As this is the first time for me attending this workshop, it is truly an honor to introduce our organization to all of you here. So first, let me briefly outline what I will share today. I will first introduce our organization, the Korea Chamber of Commerce and Industry, which is called KCCI. Then I will explain the role of the Human Resources Development Department within KCCI, and also our various TVET projects, including international cooperation projects. Let's get started with the presentation. So KCCI is Korea's leading economic organization established back in 1884. Our role and our goal is to improve the business environment, represent industry voices, promote global cooperation, and foster workforce development. So through these efforts, we aim to contribute to the sustainable growth of Korea's economy. So if you look at the below, KCCI has a very long history and represents around 200,000 businesses nationwide, ranging from large corporations to small and medium-sized enterprises. And we also have 74 regional chambers nationwide and 25 affiliated chambers in Seoul, which ensures that we have the latest industry updates and information. We are also connected to over 190 chambers of commerce worldwide, helping us link Korea to the global economy as well. Next, I'd like to introduce the Human Resources Development Department in KCCI. So to meet the growing needs of industry, KCCI established this department in 1994. Let me correct the slide. The department has actually founded in 1994. And it was founded as a government-industry collaboration model designed to create a demand-driven TVET system. So our mission is clear: to develop skilled manpower tailored to SMEs and industries, and to bridge the gap between policy and the workplace needs. So this is the organization chart of the HRD department. So as you can see in the chart, under the director of the department, we have 1 central office, 2 centers, 5 teams, and 6 task forces. Additionally, if you look at the bottom, we also operate 7 local HRD institutes across Korea. So we have a headquarters in Seoul, as well as local HRD institutes over the Korea that operates various training programs directly to the trainees. So in the middle, there's a project TF highlighted in yellow, and that's my team, and we are specialized in running international cooperation projects, and let me explain more about it later. In terms of staffing, we have over 150 professionals, including administrative, teaching staff, and managerial staff. Next is an overview of our 7 local HRD institutes I said before. So on the left side, you can see the map showing our HRD institutes across the country. These institutes are strategically located in major regions such as Seoul, Incheon, and also Busan. They also have their own dormitory so that trainees can stay during their training period. So this nationwide network allows us to respond to local industry needs more effectively and provide training support across the country. Next, on the right side, let me highlight our teaching staff. So we have a diverse pool of experts in fields such as mechanical engineering, mechatronics, electronics, computer science, architecture, and automotive engineering. This diversity ensures that our programs cover both traditional industries and also emerging fields, and also provides our trainees with the skills that are relevant to the evolving demand of the industries. So you can see some of our key achievements of last year below. So in 2024, we produced more than 3,300 graduates and completed 196 training programs. Our courses include key industries like electrical, mechanical, and automotive engineering, and also advanced areas such as AI convergence and renewable energy. So these achievements demonstrate our strong capacity to train future-ready talent. So here, let me briefly walk you through the key training programs that are operated by the teams I mentioned earlier. So we have, mainly we have 6 programs that I'd like to introduce. First, skills development training. This program is technically divided into 2 tracks. So first, employment training is for job seekers. And second, worker training is for current employees. So the target is different. For job seekers, it opens the door to employment opportunities. And for those who already got employed, it helps them maintain their careers and enhance their competencies. Second, the Digital Leading Companies Academy, which is called K-Digital Training. In this program, Korea's leading digital companies such as Samsung and SK Hyundai directly design training courses that match their own industry needs. So the training could reflect their real workforce needs. That means the trainees could gain exactly what industry leaders are looking for. Third, the collaboration project with the Ministry of Education. So through the initiative of the Ministry of Education, we operate various programs aligned with the national education and TVET policies, including like career guidance, competency-based learning, and connecting education with the actual demands of the labor market. And fourth, employment-linked projects for vocational high schools. So these programs are designed to afford the vocational high school students to support them. We provide on-the-job training, career counseling, and internship opportunities for the students. And fifth, the Youth Work Experience Support Program. This program is actually similar to initiatives in many other countries. It provides young people with opportunities to gain real work experience before entering the job market. So in Korea, as we mentioned earlier shortly, youth unemployment has been a major challenge. So to respond to this, we operate a range of TVET programs designed to support young people. And finally, our international cooperation projects. So this is the area that our team is directly responsible for. We apply KCCI's extensive know-how in TVET to international development and cooperation projects. So let me explain this in more detail later soon. So now I would like to introduce 4 major programs that I mentioned earlier. So first, one of our program is the KDT Leading Company Academy. So this was mentioned in the morning by Professor Lee. So 26 leading companies, including Samsung, Intel, Microsoft, and Hyundai. These leading companies directly participating in designing and also running the training. It's normally a 6-month intensive course focused on software and digital skills. Second, our youth work experience program. As you know, youth unemployment and school-to-work transition are big issues in Korea. So through this program, we give young people valuable opportunities to gain hands-on experiences in real workplaces so that it helps them adapt more smoothly to company environments. And at the same time, they can test their own aptitudes before making career decisions. And third, we provide specialized training for non-professional foreign workers with E9 visa. So Korea has a growing number of foreign workers, actually, and many of them need support to stay longer and to succeed in their jobs in Korea. So we provide specialized training programs that combine technical upskilling and also with Korean language and culture lectures. And finally, our international TVET projects. So this is an area where my team is working on, and we have mainly carried out our TVET international projects in Asia and Africa. And next slide. So then what role do we play in international cooperation projects? So we mainly implement ODA projects, the Official Development Assistance Project, promoted by existing agencies such as COICA, EDCF, and AKCF. Our role is to manage these projects so that they can be successfully implemented over a 3 to 5 year period with minimum disruption. So our current partner countries are ASEAN countries, Uzbekistan, Mozambique, Uganda, Ethiopia, Angola, Rwanda, and Cote d'Ivoire. If you look at the diagram below, our work often starts with supporting the establishment of vocational training centers. This includes helping with facility construction, providing consulting on training equipment, and making sure everything is closely linked to the training programs that will be delivered. And we also work with our partner countries to develop demand-driven curricula, so to strengthen industry-academia cooperation and to train teachers and trainers. On top of that, we support the development of teaching and learning materials so that the training can be sustained even after the project ends. Lastly, this slide provides a summarized performance of our international cooperation projects. So as you can see, our work can be grouped into 4 major categories: the establishment of vocational training center, vocational training consulting, and international organization cooperation projects, invitational training programs. And we have implemented projects across many parts of the world. So looking ahead, we plan to expand our cooperation with even more countries in the field of TVET. So today's workshop was really insightful for us, knowing about other centers, universities, ministries, initiatives and strategies on digitalization and green skills. Once again, it is a great honor for me to take part in this workshop today. I would like to sincerely thank you all of you for sharing such meaningful insights and look forward to continued collaboration. Thank you so much for your kind attention.
Thank you.